Chicken barbecue.
Anyways, it's called Zeus Coffee. It's not Starbucks.
Parang sarap.
Today we got chicken pizza, we got pasta, we got
Starbucks eh.
all of this. This is my drink. Cupcake gamers, you like the food?
Ay, saan kain na, please. Hindi nga ako kakain nito, di ba?
Sarap yung pizza ko.
Ito on the outside lang. Ah, sarap yung drinks mo?
Customer mate. Sakyan niya kami.
Ba't ganun? Ba't ganun? Malansa.
Parang may
Malansa. Sarap ng mga... Sarap ng drinks. Tomado. Ito kay mami.
Mommy, tell what flavor is that?
Strawberry cheesecake. Iced strawberry cheesecake. Sarap na eh. Milk
Mine is Coke. Mine is choco chip flat.
Pares kay ni mama.
I like mine. Tell what flavor. Damn, girl, you already finished it.
Strawberries cheesecake.
Damn, girl, you already finished it. Damn.
Pag-uwan ka niya, pag-uwan ka niya.
Oh.
This is a normal coffee.
Grabe yung straw nila, no? Grabe yung straw nila.
Bye, guys.